Four wolves running hard under a blood-red sky, searching for a paradise where freedom can fly. Through ashes and ruins where the wild things roam, longing for a place they can finally call home. In the shadows where they tread, hope is the fire that won't be dead. Run with the wolves, let the night come alive. In this world of scars, it's the strong that survive. Together they rise, let the spirits ablaze. In a quest for paradise, they break out of the haze. A world made of metal, the humans hide away. Dome city shining, they forget how to play. But the wolves keep howling for the moon they chase. With every stride forward, they quicken the pace. With every heartbeat loud and true, they'll tear down the walls, they are coming for you. Run with the wolves, let the night come alive. In this world of scars, it's the strong that survive. Together they rise, let the spirits ablaze. In a quest for paradise, they break out of the haze. In the end they will find where the wild things grow. Paradise awaits, let the four wolves go. A world made of metal, the humans hide away. In this world of scars, it's the strong that survive. Together they rise, with their spirits ablaze. In a quest for paradise, they break out of the haze.